are riding on a bus, and we have been for the past 6.5 hours. But we are heading to a very beautiful location. Where are we again? Nico. Sorry, we got like 2 hours to sleep last night. And we just saw monkeys. And we're gonna see some more beautiful things if we ever get off the bus. My guess is not, but I'm staying positive.
We're on the bus still, and I'm hungry, and I wanted to see a monkey and catch it, but now I'm afraid I'm gonna catch it and eat it. So I hope we get there soon.
For the monkey's sake.
For the monkey's sake.
You guys want to say hello?
Hello.
Very creative.
Yeah. Me and Tony, we're renowned for creativity.
Well, it is a beautiful view, but can't really see it just yet. Hello and welcome to lovely Nico. We made it after 6.5 hours and counting, but we made it. Here we have a beautiful waterfall. I believe it goes by Taegon something or other in Japanese. But I made it with my friends, many friends. And here we are, say hello. Just get a little panoramic view of this gorgeous scenery.
I just always wanted to do that. What's about the rest of the day?
How can I think when I have this beautiful Yoko. She's really cool.
I think they're kicking us off.
We're gonna get people. Including you. Including you.
Here